Hello all, my name is Sachin Shelar. I am faculty in Electric Engineering Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we will discuss about classification of energy resources, which is part of subject Energy Audit and Management, third year Electric Engineering. So energy is one of the important aspect of any country, whether it is a developing country or a developed country. Without use of energy, no one can go ahead. Now, many times whenever we say word energy, always we think of electric energy, but it is not that. Energy is one of the part of energy. There are different types of energy, and before that we must know the different energy resources. So to start with, one of the classification for the energy resources is primary and secondary source. Second source can be a commercial or non-commercial energy resource, and thirdly it is classified as renewable and non-renewable source. So these are the three important classification: primary and secondary, commercial and non-commercial, and renewable and non-renewable. Now let's see one by one each part. Start with primary and secondary energy. The name itself tells that the energy is divided into first as primary and second as a secondary. Now what is the primary energy? Primary energy is the energy which is mainly extracted from or which is captured from directly from the nature. For example, a coal mine is seen here. So directly from the nature, this kind of energy resource is taken out. While in case of secondary energy, it is the energy which is converted from the primary energy to another form. So if we see the example of the primary energy resource, it's a fossil fuel, that is coal, oil, gas, etc., which is directly extracted from the nature. While in case of secondary energy, as discussed earlier, it is converted from the primary energy. So the example could be electricity, steam, etc. So this is called as primary and secondary energy. Next classification type was commercial and non-commercial energy. So energy is further classified into commercial energy and non-commercial energy. So what is the commercial energy? The energy which is available in the market and it is sold for some price. So that kind of commerce application is available. So it is called as a commercial energy. While in case of non-commercial energy, it is normally available in the community and it is free of cost. The example of the commercial energy source is electricity, coal, petrol. So these are available in the market and a user has to pay some price to use this type of energy. While as discussed, the non-commercial energy is available in the community for the free, and the examples are firewood, cow dung, etc. So these are, a user don't have to pay anything for this energy. And lastly, the energy is divided into renewable and non-renewable energy. So first is a renewable energy. The picture shows a solar plant or a wind plant. While a non-renewable energy, obviously coal, oil, gas, those are the non-renewable energy. So which are the renewable energy? The renewable energy are from the inexhaustible natural resources. The energy which we get is called as a renewable energy, while the non-renewable energy is the energy which we get from exhaustible natural resources. The example of renewable is wind, solar, geothermal, tidal and hydro, while the non-renewable energy example are coal, oil, gas, etc. Thus, the energy is primarily divided into three parts: primary and secondary, commercial and non-commercial, and lastly renewable and non-renewable energy. Thank you.